We often hear that fruit is a natural and extremely healthy food. But, could your daily dose of fruit be slowly impact your health? With all the buzz around eating more fruits, there's one little known component hiding in every juicy bite. Fructose. This sugar, while it's natural, can wreak havoc on your body when consumed, especially through processed foods. But even whole fruits, often seen as nature's candy, might contribute to issues if not chosen and balanced carefully. So, what are the fruits that you should avoid, and how can you enjoy fruit's benefits without the risks? Today, we'll break down the truth about fructose. Welcome to Levitas. Fructose is a natural sugar found in many fruits, honey, and some vegetables. Unlike glucose, which is absorbed directly into the bloodstream and used by almost every cell in the body, fructose takes a different path. Once ingested, fructose travels to the liver, where it's either stored as glycogen for energy or turned into fat. Since it doesn't stimulate insulin release, fructose bypasses many of the body's natural checks on sugar intake. This unique pathway means that excessive fructose can strain the liver, as it turns some of that fructose into fat, creating potential issues over time. When the liver breaks down fructose, it undergoes a taxing process that can lead to serious health consequences, especially when consumed in large quantities. Unlike glucose, fructose is predominantly metabolized in the liver, where it's converted into triglycerides, or fat. Over time, excessive fructose intake can lead to a buildup of fat in the liver, resulting in a condition known as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease or NAFLD. In the early stages, this fatty liver might not show obvious symptoms, but as it progresses, it can lead to liver inflammation, scarring, and even liver failure. In addition to liver problems, excessive fructose intake is linked to insulin resistance, as fat buildup interferes with the liver's ability to regulate blood sugar. This resistance can spread to other organs and tissues, creating a vicious cycle where the body struggles to manage glucose effectively, leading to metabolic disorders like type 2 diabetes. Other associated issues include obesity, increased LDL cholesterol, and heightened inflammation in the body. The consequences of high fructose intake make it essential to understand how this sugar impacts us, and why managing fructose consumption is key to maintaining long-term health. Fructose is found naturally in fruits, honey, and certain vegetables, but it's also a major component of many processed foods, especially those containing high fructose corn syrup. High fructose corn syrup is widely used in beverages like sodas, sweetened teas, and fruit-flavored drinks, making these items some of the highest sources of added fructose. Processed snacks, cereals, baked goods, and condiments like ketchup often contain high fructose corn syrup, or other fructose-based sweeteners, turning these into hidden sources of fructose in your food. Even in natural foods, fructose levels can vary. Fruits like apples, pears, mangoes, and grapes are particularly high in fructose. Dried fruits, such as raisins and dates, are also concentrated sources since the water is removed, intensifying their sugar content. While these fruits offer nutrients, their fructose content can add up quickly if consumed in moderate to large quantities. Other vegetables like agave and certain squashes also contain higher levels of fructose. Knowing which foods are high in fructose allows for smarter dietary choices, helping to avoid unintentional overconsumption and its associated health risks. Choosing the right fruits can help you enjoy the health benefits of fruit without overloading on fructose. Fruits lower in fructose yet rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants include berries, like strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries, also kiwi, and citrus fruits like lemons. These fruits have relatively lower fructose levels and are also packed with nutrients that support metabolism, heart health, and immune function. Berries, in particular, have powerful antioxidants and contain fiber that helps slow down sugar absorption, making them an ideal choice for those looking to avoid spikes in blood sugar and reduce the liver's workload. Avocados, which are technically fruits, and unripe bananas also offer lower fructose levels and provide unique health benefits. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and low in sugar, while unripe bananas offer potassium and high-quality fiber, which support digestive health. Watermelon, cantaloupe, and peaches are also considered high in fructose, and are options that you might want to avoid. Opting for these low-fructose fruits allows you to balance your fruit intake, and get more health benefits from each serving, helping your body stay energized and free from fructose-related stress. When it comes to fruit intake, balance is essential to maximize benefits while avoiding excessive fructose. For most people, 1 serving of fruit per day provides sufficient vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants without overwhelming the liver with fructose. A serving size may include a handful of blueberries, a medium-sized avocado, or a half cup of strawberries. This amount lets you enjoy the health benefits of fruit without pushing fructose consumption into the risky zone. Athletes and individuals with higher energy needs might consume slightly more fruit, as their bodies use more glucose during exercise. However, the general guideline of 1 serving per day is a good range for the average person. It's also wiser to consume whole fruits rather than fruit juices or dried fruits, as whole fruits contain fiber, which slows down sugar absorption and limits the fructose load on the liver. Remember, moderation is key, as even natural sugars can contribute to health issues if consumed in large quantities. By managing your fruit intake, you can enjoy these nutrient-rich foods without overloading on fructose. So, let's say you got a little bit excited eating fruit or high fructose foods. How can you reduce fructose effects? Reducing the effects of fructose starts with controlling intake and making lifestyle adjustments to support liver health. Focus on whole foods rather than processed items, avoiding foods with added sugars, especially high fructose corn syrup, and limiting high fructose fruits to very small portions if even consumed. If you're looking to reduce fructose's impact, pairing fruit with a source of protein or healthy fats, like nuts, seeds, or yogurt, can slow down the sugar's absorption, lessening the burden on the liver and helping to avoid blood sugar spikes. Additionally, supporting liver function with regular physical activity helps the body process fructose more efficiently, converting it into energy rather than storing it as fat. Staying well hydrated assists the liver and kidneys in detoxifying the body and metabolizing fructose. Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods, like leafy greens, turmeric, and green tea, can also help counteract some of the inflammatory effects of fructose. Finally, intermittent fasting and maintaining a regular sleep schedule give the liver time to rest and reset, helping your body manage fructose better and reducing the risk of long-term liver damage. The fiber in whole fruits plays a significant role in minimizing fructose's effects on the body. Fiber slows the digestion of sugars, reducing the immediate load on the liver and lowering the risk of blood sugar spikes. This is why whole fruits are always better compared to fruit juices, which lack fiber and deliver a concentrated sugar dose. Juices, even fresh squeezed, can flood the body with fructose quickly, leading to the issues associated with excessive fructose intake. By choosing fiber-rich, whole fruits, you can enjoy their sweetness without the same health risks posed by fruit juices. In conclusion, understanding fructose and its effects on the body can reveal why certain dietary choices make a big difference in our health. Fructose, unlike glucose, is metabolized primarily in the liver, which converts it into fat. Over time, this process can strain the liver, leading to conditions like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and contributing to insulin resistance, which disrupts normal blood sugar regulation. Foods high in fructose, especially those with added sweeteners like high fructose corn syrup, can amplify these effects, leading to more significant health challenges. While many fruits naturally contain fructose, choosing lower fructose options such as berries, kiwi, and lemons can help minimize its impact. Limiting fruit intake to 1 serving per day and focusing on whole fruits instead of juices ensures you get the benefits of fiber, which slows sugar absorption and eases the liver's load. Also, lifestyle habits like staying hydrated, exercising regularly, and incorporating anti-inflammatory foods can further support liver health, helping manage fructose's effects and fostering better long-term wellness. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.